This is a demo of Ubuntu operating system. I created this just to share the experience of using Ubuntu, that is an operating system with the best features of Unix and the ease of using Windows. It's an excellent operating system, and to show the performance I created this demo on a very low-end laptop. It's a Celeron, and it's one of the, if I would have installed Windows on this would have crawled. But as you see in this demo, not only the performance but the ease of use and all the utilities that normally one would require, everything is there with Ubuntu. There are some productivity softwares which you may need to install, but installing them is just piece of cake. You just add them and you can install them right away. So this demo also shows some of the key utilities which you need to install after you install Ubuntu, and I'll go very fast over these utilities. Once you start using, there are a lot of resources on internet, on Ubuntu site, to help you to get those utilities. The drivers, the wireless, everything is inbuilt. You don't need to do anything, and it will understand most of the hardware devices you have, like wireless, printers, everything. I used all of them and I never faced any issues. Some of very useful utilities like Genome Do, you may have to install after you install Ubuntu. The Firefox comes inbuilt, and this is one of the advantage which you will see about open source, the flexibility and the freedom which you have. Whatever you need, you just try to search for a plugin and you will get it. For example, these nasty ads and images on some of the sites, you can easily block them, you can create filters and it will never show them again. And some of these plugins are stop ad, no scripts, and they are very useful plugins to have. As you see in the demo, even the GUI is very beautiful, and if you just add some more Windows managers like gcompress and others, you will get most of the best features that are available in Mac OS and other OS and Windows latest version. Everything is there. You don't need to worry about Microsoft Word documents, Excel sheets. Everything is there with OpenOffice. You can open Microsoft Word documents and even save it in the same format, and you can use them on Windows also. It's completely interoperable. Excel sheet, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, everything is inbuilt, and you don't need to, and everything is open source. And it has excellent support for all languages. Most of the non-English languages, Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, all the support is inbuilt, and you can easily customize the keyboard layout or whatever you need for different languages. Like in this case, for Arabic, I'm using a phonetic keyboard. And there are many softwares available on Ubuntu site, and there are thousands of developers continuously making different utilities, plugins. So it's just a matter of searching the right place for the right utility, and you will get it. And most of these utilities are very mature and well tested, and I have never faced any issues with using Ubuntu, and there is hardly any need I felt in last 2-3 months for going back to Windows for any of the software, because this is one of the major worry for shifting to Ubuntu, that people are worried about what about their existing applications. Will they be able to use the same documents or whatever artifacts they would have created? So you don't need to worry about any of the existing applications or documents or worksheets. Everything you can use in Ubuntu, and it is completely interoperable. Ubuntu has an excellent support for most of the latest chat applications, voice over IP. These type of applications are inbuilt, and the good thing is everything is in one place, so you can add all your chat accounts, Gmail, Yahoo, all of them. There are about 10 to 12 you can add in one place, and same is true for chatting, webcam. Everything is out of the box.